Hey guys, it's Carla. Welcome back into my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, I have a kind of different video, and quite frankly, this is a video that I never thought I would incorporate on my channel just because I know it can come across all kinds of wrongs. But I am going to be sharing with you guys a designer haul. It's going to be a Gucci unboxing and a Burberry unboxing. Before I do so, I want to put out a huge disclaimer, and that is I am not sitting here trying to show off or trying to brag about the items that I picked up. Now, as you guys know, I thrive, and I mean thrive, upon shopping affordable and very cheap items. All of my clothes, literally like vast majority of my clothes, are from Shein, H&M, Forever 21. I genuinely do love shopping very affordable items, very affordable pieces, but from time to time I do like investing in designer items. So that's kind of what I'm going to show you today. If you want to see what I got, go ahead and keep on watching. So this is the first thing that I picked up, and it's from Gucci. Two of the things are from Gucci, and I'm just so excited. I'm super excited. So this is going to be more so like an unboxing because I haven't unboxed this yet. Two of the items are going to be unboxing, and then one of them I actually have already unboxed and I have used because I couldn't help it. I was in love with that handbag. So this is the first item that I purchased, and I am, oh my god, I am obsessed and I am so in love. First of all, packaging, adorable, you know, comes with lace. I haven't even opened them yet, so I've been so eager to open it since I got it. You guys probably don't even care. You're like, come on Carla, shut up and open it. So I'm getting to it. It's a pair of shoes, and this is how it looks inside. Every single time you buy a designer pair of shoes, they do come with little dust bags. So it does come with two, one per shoe. I think it's every single time for the most part. That's what I've seen. Okay, so I got the Gucci Ace sneakers, and I love them. I think they are so adorable. A little fun fact, I used to own this, and when I purchased them in a size 36. For whatever reason, I don't know what possessed me, and I just couldn't wear them because they were unwearable. These are leather, so when you go and you purchase, you know, designer shoes that are leather, the salesperson is gonna push you to get like the tighter size because they do stretch. Leather does stretch, but it doesn't stretch to the point, you know, that to go like half a size or a whole size down. And that was my mistake. I did ended up getting rid of them, but I went ahead and purchased them again. These are the cutest thing. The one that I purchased are the ones with the beads on both the sides. They have so many different varieties of the shoes. They have some that are a little bit more like on your face. I actually love the one with the arrow. In fact, if they had that one in the store, I probably would have bought that one instead. But I thought I was just gonna go for something a little bit more classic, a little bit more wearable. Now on the back, and I'll probably do a close-up for you guys as well. On the back it does says, you know, Gucci, and it's green and red. These are pretty expensive. I believe these are $6.50 before tax. That's a lot of money for a pair of sneakers. Now, when I buy designers, and I don't buy designer items so often, but when I do, I think of cost per wear. And I mentioned this on my channel before on my last video. So I think, how many times am I going to wear this? Is this worth $6.50? To some of y'all, you might think no, but I live in sneakers. It doesn't matter what I'm wearing or where I'm going. I'm always wearing a kind of like white sneaker shoes. So I know I'm going to get my money's worth out of this because I'm going to be wearing them every single day. So if you ever want to invest on a designer piece, please make sure you buy something that you know you're gonna get your money's worth. For example, I like the Valentino rock studs, which are like the pumps, the heels. And every single time I see those shoes in the store, I'm like, oh my god, like Carla, just get it, like just get it. And then I think, how many times am I gonna wear those pair of heels? 5 times a year, maybe? And those heels are like $850. Mind you, like they're super expensive. So for me to pay $850 for a pair of heels that I'm gonna wear 5 times a year, I can't even justify that. Like there's just no way. Like I don't think I'll ever actually buy them because, like I said, I can't justify that price. For me to pay $650 on a pair of sneakers that I'm gonna be wearing maybe 3, 4, 5 times a week, I can 100% justify that. So I don't know much about the shoes. I don't want to sit here and, you know, like talk because, you know, they're just pretty basic. They're just white sneakers. But yeah, I am totally in love with the shoes. If you buy them online, just note that they do run big. So I think they recommend sizing down a whole size. I did pick this up in a size 36.5, and for shoe size reference, I usually shop like the little boys section for shoes, like for my sneakers, and then I always get size 5. So size 5 in little boys equivalents to 36.5, at least for me on this one. And like I said, I absolutely love these. So this next item I actually got for my mom, but I'm just going to show you guys because I think it's adorable, and I was actually gonna get one for myself as well, but then I got that kind of like remorse, and I was like, no, Carla, like don't spend any more money. But I might go back and get it because I absolutely love it. So let me just show you guys instead of, you know, talking. So this also comes in the same kind of box. This is just your Gucci standard box, and it also came with a little bow, you know, just like the sneakers, like wrapped with a little bow. But when I got home, I called my mom and showed it to her, so I kind of undid the bow, and I don't know how to make it again. And this right here is a handbag. To be more specific, it's a wallet on change, or a walk, if you will. And so once again, it comes with the Gucci dust bag, and inside of it we have the little wallet on change. Isn't this the cutest thing? Every single time I look at it, I'm just like, I need to get me the same one, but then I'm like, Carla, maybe don't spend that much money. So this right here is the Gucci Dionysus wallet on change. If I'm mispronouncing that name, I'm sorry, okay? I actually, every single time I read that name or I think about this handbag, I think about dinosaurs. Like, I literally call this handbag a dinosaur. So Dionysus, okay? Let's just pretend that's exactly how you pronounce it, which I don't know. To me, this is just such a classic bag that will go with absolutely everything. When you open it up, it does have the change inside, so you can actually wear this as a little clutch as well, which is like adorable. But of course, it comes with the change, so you can wear it, you know, off your shoulder or crossbody, however you like to wear it. Now, this is not really like a review, so I don't want to go into too much details about it, and this is also not mine. This is for my mommy, but I just wanted to share with you guys because this is so adorable, and I think it's worth every single penny. Okay, maybe not. I don't know. I mean, maybe, yeah, I don't know. So inside, just in case you guys are intrigued and want to look at it, it is kind of like an accordion. It has 16 slots to put all your credit cards, and I think it's really spacious. Like, I think you can fit just so much inside of here. And it does have silver hardware with a little tiger head. I just think this is stunning. Okay, so my last item, and let's just pretend that this is an unboxing, okay? I kind of just put it inside the dust bag and inside the bag, but I already wore it, so I can actually give you like a little review on the handbag, because like I said, I couldn't resist and I had to wear it. Well, I didn't have to wear it, but I wanted to wear it. But anyways, this is a Burberry crossbody bag, and it comes in like a cute little dust bag as well. It does have the little wrapping and everything inside, but like I said, I kind of already wore it, so I ruined that unboxing for y'all. I'm sorry. But look at her. I just can't even contain my excitement. This is literally, like, she's hot. She is it. She is my baby, okay? Like, out of every single handbag that I own, this is it. This is my baby. Like, I will cherish her forever. A funny story, I wasn't even going to buy this, okay? Like, I went into Burberry because my mom wanted to get something and my brother wanted to get something, and I was kind of like, okay, you know, I'm just looking, but I wasn't really going to buy anything. I told myself, Carla, you are not buying anything. Today is not the day for you. It's not your moment. But then I saw her. She was just there, you know, just sitting there looking as gorgeous as she is. And then I was like, oh my God, I have to have it. And then I talked myself out of it, okay? Like, I talked myself out of it. I was like, no, I'm not gonna buy it. Don't spend that much money. It's okay. Like, just walk away, walk away. And then my mom decided she was gonna get it herself. And then she was like, oh my God, just get it. You know, like, you'll get paid again. It's a horrible mentality we have. She's like, it's okay, spoil yourself, you know, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, it takes very little to persuade me. Like, very, very, very little. So we ended up getting matching ones, actually. And so she owns this exact handbag. Like I said, I have worn it, so I can give you like a little quick review, I guess we can say. Or I don't know, if you guys actually want like a detailed review, I can also do that. But inside, oh my God, it is super, super spacious. It has nothing. I make sure I took everything out. Now, it has like 2 really big compartments, and then it has this little, it's not a slipper, it has like this little hole right here. And inside is, you know, the little Burberry authentication card. I always keep those in my handbags, just like so you don't lose them. And this does have gold hardware, which I think looks super, super, super adorable with the colors. And then on the back, it actually has another pocket. And I actually love this one, because what I do is I kind of just always just put my debit card right here. So if I have to buy something right away, then I can just, you know, easily find it. That's just, you know, me being lazy. But it does have the straps, and this is adjustable, so it does come with a lot of holes so you can adjust it. And I actually love that about it, because I am short. I am 5'3", so usually when handbags don't have that adjustable strap, they're just so long on me. Out of anything and everything that I have ever bought in my life, like, I'm in love. Like, this is it. Like, she is it. I don't have much else to say you know, other than the fact that I love it. You guys know I love pink, so of course this is gonna be like my favorite bag. I just think the combination, everything just looks so stunning. I absolutely love this. So those were the 3 items that I got. I hope you guys enjoy them. If you guys will be interested in me incorporating like designer hauls here and there, more there than here. I mean, I don't shop designer like so frequently either. But if you would like me to incorporate the designer hauls whenever I do shop them, please let me know. If not, don't worry. I'm gonna stick to, you know, what I know best, which is, you know, shopping $3 shirts, $4 shirts, because I love them. I love Shein. I love affordable. You guys know that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next one.